There's a U elevator in this building. Here it is. This time it's for the public. And it's a Thyssenkrupp. These are your fixtures, and here we go. Let's hear the hydro. This elevator takes really long to level. Right. 1. I ride this elevator during break because there's people who mess with this elevator, and I'm just appreciating it. The other 3 elevators in this school are locked, so you have to have a key. If you have like disabilities, take a cab view. Very nice cab. Your firefighter's operation and your phone right there.